Hi, it's Jaylene from WTI, and let's make some oatmeal together.
So here is what I use to make my oatmeal. As you can see here, I listed the ingredients out for you. And then here I have a close-up of the rice cooker. So it has two options, cook and warm, and just with a simple push down button, you can turn it on. And as you can see here, I've put all the ingredients into the bowl. And now I've covered it, and we're just gonna let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And as you can see here, it's already started to boil, and it's in the finished cooking, so it's in the warm setting. So it's super easy to use and it takes no time at all, and you can have your meal done in just a couple of minutes.
So besides being your average rice cooker, you can also use this to make oatmeal, soup, whatever you want to put on it, or even just to warm up your food. And I would highly recommend this rice cooker, and that's my point of view.